How's it going, everybody? This is my project for interactive and dynamic storytelling. I'm just going to get to the chase right here. Let me see if I can share my screen. Alright, so this should be working. So for Project 4, chose one of the videos out of this link, and I went with this Ghost of Solid Air anagram, which is about London, and I will be showing the video in just a second. But as a part of this year's BFI London Film Festival, director Amy Rose created an augmented reality tour of central London that examines the nature disobedience by fusing historical voices with contemporary realities. Let me go to the other page that has some words on it as well. So the film festival director Amy Rose, augmented reality, just giving you guys some background information. It's basically just an experience where you're walking. It's almost like Pokemon Go or something like that. A 60-minute experience of an interactive walk where you can throw on headphones and they'll talk to you about what you're seeing in London, specifically central London in this case, and the history behind what you're looking at. Things like the police crime, protests, things like that. Just the specifics of London. And let me play this video, and I'll have some words right after.
To the police who have been subject to the most dreadful abuse.
If you are pushed beyond the tipping point, what comes next? Hello, listener.
Hello, listener.
This is an invitation to go on a journey. There's another world here.
And you're in it already. When you see something in the air,
You need to speak to it
because it is when you speak that things really come to life.
I was tackled to the floor, broken to the cell. Look at those white men on their plates.
They think they're in charge. They like that feeling of being in charge.
So, I thought that video was pretty cool, just because I was in London actually this past summer, and I was there for a few weeks, and I got to see kind of, I got to learn about the history of London, and I could see how this augmented reality app, specifically focused on London, could really work. And I wish I was able to use it. So I just found that video cool. That's kind of why I chose it. It's because I was just recently in London, and I could see how that would work. And it just shows you that could go for a lot of locations. You could use that augmented reality, that interactive walk that shows you the history of a place for just about anywhere. But it definitely works in this case for London. But that's the Project 4 for me. That's the interactive or augmented reality video that I chose.